This will be a speed test between the OnePlus 7 Pro versus the iPhone XS Max. Now the OnePlus 7 Pro, this one has the Snapdragon 855 and 8 gigs of RAM on its latest version of Android 9 with the Oxygen overlay. iPhone XS Max, this one has the 812 Bionic chip, 4 gigs of RAM on its latest version of iOS. Let me know in the comments below which phone you think looks better back here. Turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. Woo, that was so close. I think I'm gonna call the boot up a draw. And we are in. Nothing open in the background on both. As you can see, all apps and caches have been cleared. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. OnePlus. Messages app. Very close, maybe the OnePlus. The camera. And let's go. Give that to the iPhone. Clock on both phones. OnePlus. Go ahead and start the stopwatch on both and leave that running in the background. Chrome and Safari. We'll do a search for GSM Arena. Go. Go. Looking at the progress bar. Ooh, maybe the iPhone. This ad came up first on the iPhone, but not that much of a difference really. We'll click on the desktop version. Looking at the bar again. Ooh, very close. Can't really tell. We'll pinch the zoom. Nice and smooth on the iPhone. Do the same thing on the OnePlus 7 Pro. Nice and buttery with this phone's 90 Hz display. You can really see the difference here. Not on camera, but in person, there is a clear difference. Calculator on both. Identical. Play Store and App Store. Faster on the OnePlus. We'll do a search for the annoying TikTok app. Go. And leave it there. Amazon shopping. Faster on the OnePlus. Click on the deal of the day. eBay. Faster on the left. iPhone lagging a little bit. We'll click on whatever this is and leave it there. Super Mario Run. Loading on the OnePlus. And give the win to the 7 Pro. iPhone lagging a little bit. We'll tap to begin. Ooh, a little bit faster on the iPhone. iPhone with a comeback a little bit. Temple Run 2. Lost Jungle. Loading. And we'll give the win to the OnePlus 7 Pro. Tap to play. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in on the 7 Pro. Will the iPhone catch up? Kinda doubt it. And give the win to the OnePlus 7 Pro on this. iPhone lagging behind. Asphalt 9. Oh, iPhone with a comeback. Will the 7 Pro catch it? Oh! And give the win to the 7 Pro with the comeback. Tap to play. PUBG. Oh, iPhone a little bit ahead. Will the 7 Pro catch up? What will happen right now? Loading on both phones. Oh, and give the win to the iPhone on this. We'll just leave it here. Adobe Photoshop Express. I do have this 8K image on both phones. I'm gonna click on the white balance on both. And I'm gonna click on cloudy on both, right here. And then I'm gonna jack this filter up to the max. Click on the upload and share on this. And then I'm gonna go ahead, okay, iPhone's lagging here a little bit, that particular step, but I'm gonna go ahead and save on the gallery and save to the camera roll on both and see which one does it faster. Keep in mind, OnePlus 7 Pro does have the new UFS storage, so we'll see if that plays a factor. Go. Ooh, I don't know. Couldn't really tell in real life. Slow down the video for me. Twitter. OnePlus. iPhone's lagging a little bit on that one. Instagram. OnePlus again. And again, the iPhone's lagging here a little bit. What's going on with the XS Max? Snapchat. OnePlus again. Let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background, as you can see. OnePlus 7 Pro has 8 gigs of RAM. XS Max only has 4, but iOS is highly optimized. So let's just see what happens right now. We'll go through these apps again, and we'll go check it out. Looking good so far on both phones. This one, good to go on both. Asphalt 9, same place. Ooh, what's going on with the XS Max? I don't think that's a full reload. Angry Birds 2, same place. Temple Run 2, same place on both phones. Mario Run, Mario Time on both. eBay, same place. Amazon, same place. App Store, Play Store, same place. The annoying TikTok. Calculator, same place. Browsers, same web page on both. The calculator, or the clock, excuse me, still running the stopwatch. Camera, there we go. Messages, a little bit faster on the OnePlus. And the phone app, boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Are you on team OnePlus? Are you rocking this brand new OnePlus 7 Pro or the OnePlus 7? Do you have yourself the OnePlus 6T or the OnePlus 6 or even a OnePlus 5 or 5T? In my opinion, this is the best phone that OnePlus has came out with. Curved glass now, front and back, and this awesome AMOLED display with no notch or cutout of any sort. This makes the viewing experience absolutely amazing. Combined with now this phone having stereo speakers, hard to beat. Or are you an Apple iSheep and rock an iPhone XS or XS Max, the iPhone 10 from last year with a notch up top? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.